I still can't believe that I, myself, painted these parts. I'm so freaking excited that we finally got it figured out. It took a very long time, a lot of trial and error, but I think we finally nailed it, and it's only gonna get better from here. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a very exciting day. Of course, we're gonna put the truck back together. We're gonna put the M3 bumper back on, and we have some M3 mods that I wanna install today as well. First thing I think we should knock out is the Duramax. So we gotta put the grill back together, obviously get the center part back into the grill. I wanna adjust the bumper, just move it up a little bit, maybe give us some more tire clearance. Get the grill back on, see how she looks. All right, the grill is all finished up. Let's go ahead and work on the bumper now. So we're gonna pull it back off. It's only like 4 bolts to pull the bumper off, so it's pretty easy. And then we're gonna move the brackets up. Not only is there a big gap from the bumper to the grill, there's also a pretty decent sized gap right here. And it's so freaking adjustable on these trucks, it's crazy. So I'm just gonna slide it all the way up. And what I'm ultimately hoping to do is clear the bumper right here from the tires. It is so close. If we just had a tiny bit more space, we'd be good to go. So even if we don't have more tire clearance now, which I'm sure we have a little bit, the bumper fitment looks much better. There's not nearly as much random spaces and gaps everywhere. So I think we're all good to go here. Super stoked with how the grill came out. Let's pull out the truck and see if we can get the bumper back on the M3 without scratching it. Well guys, there she is. All finished, new bumper, new tow hook covers. Paint looks absolutely amazing. It needs a few little touches here and there, and of course the car is super dirty, so it's hard to tell. But it looks like the color match is really, really nice. The side's pretty clean, actually. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty freaking stoked on how this turned out. You already know it would not be an M3 video without installing some sort of carbon fiber parts. Now this piece right here is gonna be the biggest game changer for the back of the car. You guys already know what the car is missing, and that is a carbon fiber rear diffuser. So this thing is beautiful. I already opened it up, as you guys can see, right when I first got it, just like, you know, kind of check it out. See how beautiful she is. They do make quite a few different styles for the M3. This is the style that we chose. You already know it's gonna be linked down in the description box below, but enough talking, let's just set it on the car and see how she looks. Oh my gosh, guys. That, like I said, is a game changer. I know it's just sitting up on there right now, but when we get it actually secured, it's gonna look insane. All right, let's figure out how we gotta get it mounted. I'm pretty sure it's just screwed on. I don't really wanna use double-sided tape on this, but I guess if we have to, it is what it is. Well, I figured there'd be something in the package, some sort of screws or hardware or double-sided tape to attach to the diffuser. There's nothing, so we're kind of left figuring it out ourselves. Not a big deal. Let me show you guys how I think we're gonna attach this. All right, so we got these big old tabs on the side. Those tabs right there, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I just dropped it. I'm thinking if we screw those right to the bumper, that alone should be enough to hold the entire diffuser up on there. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. So we have it held on with just 2 screws right now. Looks like it fits really, really nice, and it looks absolutely insane. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a few more screws on it just to make sure she never flies off. And yeah, I like it. I told you guys it would look better, the taillights, when we install some more carbon or black on the back of it. We're pretty much all finished up with carbon fiber for the back. I don't know what else we could do, maybe like a black badge or something cool like that. But I think it looks really good now. The whole back of this car is really tied together, I feel like. I'm sure some of you guys still aren't gonna be a fan of the taillights, and that's okay, but I think they look really, really nice with that trunk lip and with that new diffuser, and with our new paint, of course, on the bumper. This thing's really coming together. There's still so much work that we need to do to this car. Obviously, like some side skirts. You already know we're gonna do wheels, a full paint correction, make it sound good, make it fast, probably fix the rod bearings one day. If they're ever back in stock, that'd be nice, so I could buy some. But overall, I'm really, really stoked with how the M3 is coming out. I've never had a Euro in the past. This is my first European car, and I really, really enjoy it. It's different. It's definitely a lot different than the Japanese boys, but it's different in a good way. That is gonna wrap up this early morning install. I'm gonna head back to the house now and try to finish up all the orders today. Jared, Bobby, and I have been trying to, as fast as we can, to get all your guys' orders out from the previous launch. So head back there, see if we can't get that finished up. It's been nice having all these little installs while we're trying to get everything out, because doing like rod bearings or something right now would just be out of the question. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Of course, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, I guess I'll show you again like up close in person. My little mistake, my little boo-boo on the bumper. It will be easy to wet sand out, but we got a little trigger happy on one area. All right, where are they at? There's some runs and drools up in there. Yeah, I think you can kind of see them on the camera. A little bit of wet sanding action. She should buff out just fine. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. What side are you cleaning? You want this side? This is usually where you park.
Way further up.
Up?
Way further.
Oh, there's already a hole in there. Beautiful.
To the left. Like bring it all way further to the left.
Sick.
He, ha, he. Okay, give him the Moochie, I gotta
Love you, bye.
go. Mooch! Mooch! Mooch!
You want to explain to the vlog what a mooch is?
I don't want you to put that in there, babe.
Okay, I gotta move my truck and then you can leave.
Moochie.
One sec.